This big old box is your bed?
Yeah, and we also got pillows in here.
Oh, awesome. Zachy, are you going to tuck yourself in?
He's hurting
Oh, careful. Be gentle.
my belly.
Whoa, careful. The box could break. Your bed would break.
Yeah, our bed can break, Zachy. Zachy's sleeping. He damaged our bed.
Zachy, are you going to lie down?
No.
Why not?
Okay. I'm sleeping. Maybe.
Wait, what?
Now sleeping as 70 Mommy, we just stepped in. We stepped in the box.
Awesome. It's a nice big box.
So we can fit in here. And only this bed can fit a cat too. Ow!
Careful. Zachy, watch your feet.
Zach, you're damaging the bed. Zachy, this is a new bed. Zachy, stop that. Stop
Zachy,
that.
be nice. Are you going to tuck Zoe in? Oh, careful, guys. Careful. Zachy, do you want to get out? Where'd the kids go? Where did everybody go? Oh, my goodness.
In the box.
Oh, right. I forgot.
We hide in the box.
You were hiding in the box?
Yeah. But actually, this is our bed.
Oh,
We were hiding in our bed.
nice.
And we know how to get out. See?
Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Sweet dreams. Good night, sweet dreams. Good night, box children.
Mommy, can you